Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to make your sugar wax using just 3 ingredients. It's very simple, so if you want to see how I made this, keep on watching. Hey guys, to make your DIY sugar wax is very simple. All you need is 3 ingredients, like as you can see there. So the first thing I'm showing you is my lemon juice. So this is the lemon juice I got, and I'm using 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and this is the one I'm using. You can use the fresh squeezed one. This one I just got it from the supermarket, and I have my white sugar, and I'm using 1 cup of white sugar, and I'm using 1/4 cup of water. So the water and the sugar and the lemon, they are the same measurement. So I'll just go ahead and pour everything in my pot, in my pan that I will use to make the wax. You can use smaller pots. I just used to use this one because it's transparent and I want to see what I'm doing. So after adding the lemon and the sugar, I'll just go ahead and add my water and mix everything together. Make sure your water and the lemon juice have the same measurement. You can use 2 cups of sugar, but I use 1 cup. So use 2 cups, depending on how much you want it to be. So I'll just go ahead and cook it in a medium heat. So what I did, I regulate the heat. First I use the medium heat, as you can see everything from the video. Then after it has boiled to some extent, and then went ahead and reduce it, because you don't want your sugar wax to get burnt. You want to cook it gradually until it become golden brown. So guys, just keep on watching. It's very simple, and as you are cooking it, make sure you keep stirring it together, because you don't want it to get burnt. So that is how you continue to stir it until it turns golden brown. It's very simple. Just follow the simple step as I showed you earlier. Sugar, lemon and water, nothing else. So guys, this sugar wax is actually better, far better than shaving. So guys, I've been doing this for some time now, and I really like it. That's what I used to wax instead of shaving. So I just decided to share it with you. Hope you will really find this video helpful, and you'll be able to make your own DIY sugar wax at home. Everything listed is very easy to get. So guys, you can see that I reduced the heat again. Now you can see the color of the sugar that I'm making have changed. So I'm just going to do a test. So this test will show that it's ready. So you put it in, you put a teaspoon or a tablespoon in a cold water, and use your hand to roll it. If you start rolling in your hand without sticking it together, know that it's ready. You don't want to keep cooking it, because once you overcook it, it will become stronger, and once it gets good, you can't use it. So you can see that the roll on my hand is ready. So I just remove it from the hot gas and then transfer it to my bowl. So I'm actually dividing it into 2 places, the one I will use immediately and the one I will use later. So the one I will use later on, I put it in a jar bottle. You store it in a jar bottle and then close it tight and store it in your fridge or in a counter, wherever you can store it. It's not necessary you must store it in the fridge. It's not necessary. So guys, this is how the sugar wax is. You can see how golden brown it is. You can see that guys, sugar wax is ready. It's not hard to make. So guys, that is how to make your own sugar wax. It's very easy, and this is the one I will use immediately, and I will show you how I use mine. So guys, now I'll just go ahead and apply it on my armpit hair. I'm using it after it gets cold. Please guys, don't use this wax while it is hot. Please don't do that. Make sure it gets cold before using it. So after applying it to where the hair is, use it where you have hair, and before you apply it, make sure that place is dry, and you can also use powder to be sure. Then I will let it dry and then pull out the wax, and then all the hair will follow, and you will see how neat and clean my armpit will look like. I intentionally leave my armpit hair for this video. So guys, that is it for this video. Hope this is helpful and hope you learned something new, and don't forget to share and give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.